So hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm literally just going to like vlog, showing you guys how I tend to like go down to my studio, and yeah, I'm currently trying to pack up right now, so let me show you guys what I actually take down to the studio. So let's see. So I got my laptop right here, goes right in this bag. Yeah, you guys can see this bag I have right here is a hot mess. I got my camera right about here. This is a Sony A7 IV, and also I got a Sony 100mm macro right here. This is my scooter right here. I take this to the studio. Hey guys,
have you got anything else coming up?
Me? Oh, definitely. We're always having something. Look who we have here again. Hey, Ines.
Allora, il mio nome è Francesco, ho 23 anni, abito e vivo a Londra. Vivo a Londra da 1 anno e mezzo all'incirca. Lavoro in centro a Londra come cameriere in un hotel e qualche volta anche come modello. Sai, penso sia, come posso dire, cool lavorare anche come modello ogni tanto, perché è un modo per evadere da una realtà troppo stressante in una città veloce come Londra. Anche, come posso dire, un modo per esprimere, like express yourself, like throw out your inner self whenever you are in front of the camera, you know. So that's actually why I love doing modeling stuff and things. I always thought that life itself doesn't have any meaning. It's us as human beings that we give that meanings to life, you know, in the sense of experience, people, love, deaths as well. You have control of your small reality, you know, but you don't have control of what will happen next, and what surrounds you, which kind of people you have to deal with. We are like passive actors of our life most of the times. We just have one life. But the most important thing is that to life to enjoy and never regret anything.
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. I hear him chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, man so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan, if you wanna touch my reach.
Well, when I was at the Met Gala, no, I'm joking. I mean, when I why you had
You're prophesizing to yourself.
I was
You're prophesizing, you know.